Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what's going on in your love life. On one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what are your energies, Virgos. Let's see what are your energies, Virgos. So wow. So on your side we have the star. On your person's side we have the moon. The most likely outcome is the temperance. Okay, all three major cards here. So as far as the star is concerned, definitely you see this person as your dream and wish fulfillment. As far as your person is concerned, for the moon, there is something here which is not clear. That is what they feel. Things are not very clear. There is some sort of uncertainty and lack of clarity in their mind. But yes, intuition needs to be trusted here. Listen to the inner voice. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the temperance. So this is talking about balancing of the situation. Something here needs to be balanced. We'll see what that is. Okay, so let's clarify the star on your side. Let's clarify the star on your side, Virgos. So for the star, we have the King of Swords, Ten of Cups, and the Tower. Oh, and Three of Swords. Something is really up here. Okay. So let's clarify the moon on your person's side. So for the moon we have the Empress, it's the Hierophant, what's this? And the Five of Wands. Justice. Okay. There is definitely something major going on here, which is destined actually. Okay, let's clarify the Temperance as the most likely outcome. So for the Temperance we have the Four of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, and the Page of Wands, the Nine of Swords. So as far as you are concerned, what I feel here is that you thought that you are going to have a commitment with this person. You wanted to have a commitment here. You are, something here has happened unexpectedly, which is the cause of heartbreak. In a beautiful relationship, in a beautiful connection, unexpectedly something has happened. Perhaps something has been said which was rude. You said, they said. Something has happened here in this connection which is causing a lot of pain in your heart. And this is something totally unexpected. And this is what is affecting this relationship also. As far as your person is concerned, for the moon, we have the Empress, the Hierophant, and the Justice with the Five of Wands. See, what I feel here is that you also wanted a commitment here. They also wanted a commitment here. With the Empress, the Hierophant, Five of Wands, and the Justice, something here, there has definitely been an argument or some sort of a conflict between both of you. Unexpectedly something rude and harsh has been said, and because of that there is lack of clarity in the relationship. Basically that is why the moon is showing up here. So you thought this is my dream come true, this is my happily forever after, but now you are shaken up. Now the thing is, you really feel a lot of pain. Okay, you are really hurt. You don't know where this relationship is going to be. And as far as this person is concerned, they also want a new beginning. Definitely they wanted commitment, they also want a new beginning. They really want to sort things out. Okay, they want to balance the situation. With the Five of Wands showing up, even though whatever has happened can be a sudden argument on something which was not as huge as it seemed to be. Okay, it's like something small turned out escalated. Okay, and that is why there is a disruption over here in this relationship. Okay, but it is not, the intentions on both the sides are good. This person also wants to have a new beginning. They also want to sort out things. They want to bring balance to the situation. And as the most likely outcome, we have the Temperance. For the Temperance, we have the Four of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. So definitely both of you are suffering here. Both of you are feeling bad. Both of you are upset. Just give it some time so that this situation can be balanced out. Because with the Temperance being there, there is the need to balance the relationship here. Okay, after whatever has happened between both of you, maybe somebody, you may need the help of somebody or some friend or a mediator to help it out, so that you can have a new beginning. It can be that also. Maybe somebody from your workplace, maybe somebody, some of your friend, some third person may need to intervene, or if you want, you can do that. Take the help of someone if you feel like, or discuss it with your friends and family so that you are able to sort this difference out. Okay, but what I feel is, after you are able to, it doesn't seem to be both of you talking. Maybe somebody else needs to step up and intervene between both of you so that this relationship can be sorted out. And I do see a new beginning here. A new beginning is definitely on the cards, but the thing is, this has to be balanced, because both of you are hurt. It's not that one party is hurt. Both of you had good intentions. Both of you are hurt, but somebody here needs to intervene so that this situation can be sorted out. And a new beginning can be expected. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Miracles and blessings. Everything has its gift. Number 13 may be of some significance for you. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.